We know that plants require certain things to grow and be healthy, like sunlight, soil, and water. Does the pH of water have any effect on the plant? The pH scale measures from 0 to 14 to tell how acidic or basic the liquid is. The initial pH stands for potential of hydrogen. Water is right in the middle of this scale as a neutral or a 7. But would a plant flourish more with a more acidic or basic level? This project is important scientifically because soybean oil is a very important ingredient in most foods, and it is crucial to grow it properly and make sure it's healthy. My question is, how does the pH of water affect the growth of a soybean plant? My hypothesis is that the result of this experiment will show that the bean plant growth is affected by acidity, and the more acidic the water is, the more the bean plant will struggle to grow. To do my experiment, I must prepare the bottles of pH changer that will be added to the water. Bottle A has a pH level of 5, bottle B has a pH level of 6, bottle D has a pH level of 7, bottle C has a pH level of 8, and bottle D has a pH level of 9. For each bottle, I will use a clean pipette to remove approximately 5 milliliters of the solution. I will then squeeze the 5 milliliters into a clean test vial. I will hold a pH strip in the water for 20 seconds. I will then observe the color and compare it to the test sheet to see the pH. I will then adjust it as needed. Data and analysis. To collect my data, I will find the mean of all trials for each group tested. I will then find the standard deviation for each group tested. I will run a paired ANOVA test on the groups being compared to see if there is a statistical difference in the groups. Conclusion. In conclusion, the results of my experiment showed that the plants with a pH of 7 grew the best, and the plants with a very high or very low pH struggled to grow the most. Their leaves and stems turned yellow and brown. I faced some obstacles in my experimentation, such as I ran out of time for this project and I should have started earlier. I also shouldn't have watered the plants as much as I did. Future study. If I were to redo this project, I would definitely try to do a new type of plant. I would water the plants once a week instead of every single day. I would also try using the pH scale of 1 to 14, and I would also try doing a different liquid instead of water. Thank you.